Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So I only bought 2 things from the Kendall times Kylie Cosmetics collection because honestly, I was not interested in a lot of that stuff. So in this Kendall palette, it came with 15 shades and there is a mixture of different finishes in here. She only has 2 finishes, which is metallics and mattes. She does have a variety of colors. She tried to do some shimmers, some mattes, and some color, which I can truly appreciate because this is the time to do bright colors. It's the summer, so throw some bright shades in there. I know a lot of people were just like, well, Kendall doesn't even wear bright shades, but think about it. If she would have just came out with a completely muted natural palette, you guys would have still complained regardless. So me personally, I actually appreciate her throwing some color in there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go through this palette and the names. I did do hand swatches for you guys. So the first color is Model Energy, is a matte vanilla. November 3rd is a metallic peach champagne with gold pinpoints. Twice the Ice is a metallic icy beige. I'm Telling Mom is a matte mid-tone tangerine. To the Moon and Back is a metallic vibrant green with silver sparkle. Cup of Tea is a matte medium brown. You're Tiny and Cute is a matte dusty mauve. Runs in the Family is a matte vibrant yellow. Thicker Than Water is a matte neon orange. Here Kenny Kenny is a matte lime green with silver sparkle. Brunettes Do It Best is a matte cool tone brown. Love You Sister is a matte rose terracotta. Loyal is a matte warm brown. Scorpio Energy is a matte cherry pink. And Name a More Iconic Duo is a matte pastel lilac. One thing I want to say about when I was swatching this palette, I wasn't impressed. I thought the swatches were okay. The texture of these are very much powdery. These are definitely powdery eyeshadows for sure, and I just felt like, I always feel like her line has so much more potential to be so much better than what it is. But she chooses not to give us better for the price point, so I mean, it is what it is. Alright guys, so I did notice I really didn't talk about this Everything Everywhere gloss because I was so focused on the palette. But yeah, so let's talk about it really quick. So this Everything Everywhere gloss, this is a sheer gel gloss with shimmering copper, hot pink, and rose gold pearls. This is supposed to be a very versatile shimmering face gloss that creates a high shine glass-like effect. It's also supposed to intensify any makeup look by applying the product over makeup on eyelids, cheeks, lips. This is also supposed to be a non-tacky slick gel topper with a dewy hydrated finish. Now I will say it was definitely not tacky, but it does have a thick texture to it, so that was one thing I did notice about it. It is supposed to be infused with a squalene formula which provides hydration and a smooth application and a comfortable wear, and it's also oil free, which I was definitely worried about because I have super oily skin. Alright, so I thought I'll pop in for this portion of the video for when we put on the Everything Everywhere gloss. Alright guys, so when I got this Everything Everywhere gloss, I thought and I assumed that it was supposed to be for the face, and it's supposed to be for like anywhere else, like your lips, your eyes, you know, any other portion of your face. But when I put it on top of my eyeshadow, it started to move my eyeshadow around, and I was like, okay. So I actually had to go back and put the purple eyeshadow back on top of the Everything gloss. It definitely has potential, but I am worried that this gloss will move throughout the day. I am worried about putting this gloss on my cheeks, so I'm gonna try to lessen the blow by putting on a cream blush. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Cream Freestyle blush, and this is the color Rose Latte, which is basically the one that's more of like a nude bronze type of shade. I feel like the cream with the gloss will be a lot better than trying to use it with a powder. I'm going to start out and I'm going to do a face application with my finger just to see how it goes on. You guys, you do not need a lot of this face gloss. Like, I literally took a small amount and it spreads very well. It's not breaking up my makeup. And honestly, that can be a contribution to me doing it on top of a cream product as well. So yeah, I don't think I would recommend this on top of a powder blush. Definitely seems to work good with creams instead. Honestly, it went on very nicely. Definitely advise fingers instead of a brush. You get a lot more control with your hands. I like it on the face. I don't know about for the eyes, but I definitely like it on the face for now. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, which is honestly just putting on my lip, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna wrap this video up. Alright guys, so we are back, and of course this is the final look using the Kendall Pressed Powder palette in the Everything Everywhere gloss from Kylie Cosmetics. Now let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts, and honestly I'm not super impressed. I'm not like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever, like I love it, everybody should go out and get it. Like, I don't feel that way. Honestly, I've always felt like with Kylie Cosmetics, her prices versus what you get never equal up. Like, you get these kind of subpar, okay, you might get a product that's lit, it's nice, it's amazing, and then you might get a product that's just like, well, I could have got this from another brand. Even packaging wise, I mean, this packaging is so whatever. Like $42, like this packaging is nothing but cardboard, a mirror, and a magnetic close. Like, there's nothing really special about the packaging. Honestly, out of the times I have tried Kylie Cosmetics, I never feel like I am getting a bang for my buck. But I definitely appreciate her putting color in the palette because it is the summertime. So it is the season to actually have color in a palette and not just put out, you know, completely like neutral palettes. Honestly, if you buy this line, it's just strictly because you love them as people and not necessarily because you have faith in the product. And being in comparison, all the products that she was putting out can be found at other brands that have way better quality, and I just was not willing to take that risk. Alright, so next I'm going to move on to talking about the Kendall Everything Everywhere gloss. Now this, honestly, I was super excited about because I love the glossy lid eye looks. I did one quite some time ago. Now honestly, in this video I did not even apply this on my lips because I think it was just a little bit too tacky for me, but let me just see how the formulation feels. Now this is definitely a little bit too thick for me just because it's meant to go on the eyes, on the cheeks, and on the lips. Like, it's a little bit too thick for my lips. I just prefer to put it on my eyes and my cheeks, and that's it. But yeah, you guys, please make sure you go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe for me, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also comment below and let me know how you feel about it. Do you love it? Do you think it's okay? I'd love to get the conversation started in my comments below. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, and yeah, I'm out of here. Bye guys.